Hey guys, welcome to Rahul Random. A few days ago, I bought this Boya M1 lavalier microphone, and in this video, we are going to see the unboxing and my review of this Boya M1 lavalier microphone. So let's get into today's video. I bought this microphone to improve the audio quality for our channel. If you are a content creator who wants a cheap microphone that allows you to create content like vlogging, streaming or interviews, this Boya BY-M1 microphone will definitely fulfill your needs. Now let's see what are mentioned on the box. At the front there is an image of the Boya M1 microphone, the Boya branding at the top and the model name BY-M1 mentioned at the middle. This mic is compatible with smartphones, tablets and cameras and other devices. At the sides, there are nothing special to talk about. At the back, they mention the features and specifications. Coming to the bottom, it says it costs 1995 rupees. Although it's not worth for that much money, they sell it at a reasonable price. So do watch the video until the end. Let's open it up and see what are included in the box. Firstly, a carrying pouch, user manual, warranty card, and some stickers. Let's look what are given in the pouch. Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone and a pack of extra accessories, a 1/4 inch adapter, a foam windscreen, a clip and a LR44 battery. Let's attach these accessories on the Boya M1 lavalier microphone. Mostly I will use it with my mobile phone, so this 1/4 inch adapter is not required. Let's keep it aside and let's look at the microphone. Before using it, make sure you have inserted the battery in this condenser, otherwise it will not work properly. This is a lavalier condenser microphone and it comes with this mode switch. If you are going to use it with your camera or DSLR, just turn it on to work properly. For smartphones, it does not require to switch it on. It comes with a 6-meter long cable which is insanely long and it's enough to do interviews, vlogging, walk around reviews, etc. I would not recommend this microphone for prank shows. I suggest you to use a wireless microphone for prank shows. The build quality was really awesome. The fit and finish of the microphone is fantastic. Nothing bad to say. The packaging is also good and the leatherette finish to the pouch feels very nice. If you are wondering how the audio quality sounds like, so let's go ahead and do some audio test. Hey guys, welcome to Rahul Random. Now I am recording this audio from my Realme 6 Pro's inbuilt microphone so that you can hear how the audio sounds like from this mobile. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check the ambient noise capturing from this mobile. Now let's move on to the next test. Hey guys, welcome to Rahul Random. Now you are hearing is the raw audio record from this Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. And it's straight from the mobile, no post processing done with this clip, so that you can hear how the audio sounds like directly from the microphone. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check the ambient noise capture from this microphone. Now let's move on to the next test. Hey guys, welcome to Rahul Random. Now you are hearing the audio is recorded from this Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. I have done some post processing with this clip. Some background noise are slightly reduced and how the audio quality sounds like. Let's check the ambient noise. And okay, now let's move on to the conclusion. Before going to the conclusion, just have a look at the pros and cons of the Boya M1 microphone. The audio quality from the Boya M1 mic is very decent. When it compared to the headphone mic, its sound quality was amazing. Even out of the box, it sounds really well. It only costs 760 rupees in India or just $15 US on Amazon.com. Yeah, it's affordable for a beginner YouTuber. Last but not the least, the versatility. It comes with an insanely long cable, so you can do things like walking and talking within a couple of feet. It's really useful, but it's also a downside for this microphone. Yeah, every product will have a plus point as well as a minus point. So let's talk about the cons of this microphone. First con is the cable length. When you are using this microphone for vlogging or gaming, the long cable length can be a very annoying thing. Yeah, it's really a good feature, but when you don't need it, it's just a super annoying and cumbersome. Secondly, the battery part. Yes, you need a battery to power it and it's heavy and bulky. And that's the pros and cons for this Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. I will recommend it to any beginner YouTuber who needs a good lavalier microphone. And that's it. I put the link of the Boya BY-M1 microphone in the description box below. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and comment down your queries. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon too to get notified when I upload a video. Do follow me on Instagram and you can ask me tech related doubts in the Telegram also. Links are given in the description. Thank you for watching. It's your Rahul signing off from here. Bye bye. you.